What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get into this. We got to talk about, Shiba Inu, what just happened with this attack that was, aimed at Shiba Inu investors. Also, why right now is a good time to set yourself up to get rich before the next bull run, and just cover, the daily market news. You got to stay in tune with everything that's happening, maybe not every single day, but at least, if you're serious about it, you want to do it every day. But if you just want to be, aware of what's going on, at least, every other day or so, you want to tap into these different things to see what's going on. So that way you can protect your investments or have the opportunity to grow your investment even further by taking advantage of market crashes like we're seeing right now. So overall market is up 1.5% right now. We finally got Bitcoin back above 30,000. Now, if Bitcoin can close above this 29,000 mark today, it will break the 10-week low. It will not have a 10-week low. So right now, that's what we're trying to avoid doing right now. And Ethereum is at 1822, up 2.7% on the day, still being pushed down under that 2,000 mark. I still think overall the market will eventually pull back a little bit, but what y'all have to remember is people are day trading. There's a lot of traders in the market, whether it's a day trader, swing trader, people are trading as well as investors. So traders are constantly pushing, the price back and forth, and some people can be confused in the short term to think that, things have changed when that's not necessarily the case. We're just seeing, the battle of, people buying at one price and selling at one price, waiting for it to come back down, buy at that price, sell it, at a higher price. So I want y'all to keep that in mind. Realize not everyone is investing for the long term. So also we got BNB at 301. And also, if y'all want to learn about trading options, where you can learn how to make money every day of the week, trade whether stocks go up or down, check out my last few videos. You'll see options trading in the titles. So Cardano 57 cent, up 3% on the day. We got XRP at 39 cent right now, up 2%. Basically, we're kind of trading sideways. The market isn't giving too much gains. 2% gain is is better than some stock market returns daily, but they're keeping that deviation real tight, so that way people aren't knocking it out the park. What you have to really pay attention to is the support and resistance areas, and then time your trade, time your entry for when the chart pulls back to that moment that you see in the chart. That's a key support area. Don't just buy it every single time just because you see it down a little bit. Like you see Solana's down 10% for the week right now, but it's up 5% for the day. So overall still a good, a fairly good discount, but we like to buy on red days though. So when we see a 10% discount on the day, that's when we're setting our sights, and we know it's an absolute steal if we see that 15%. That's where I like to pull the trigger sometimes. So right now, with the market being green, I'm not buying anything today. Shiba Inu is at that 1094 level, up 1.1%. Now, think about that, y'all. We are very, very close to adding a zero back, so I think it can possibly do that for a split second, if we see Bitcoin come down to its furthest levels. If we see Bitcoin go to 25,000, 23,000, especially 20,000, or it wick down to that 19,000 for a quick second, like I've been saying for, a couple weeks now, we would definitely add another zero back to Shiba Inu, which I think will be short term. I think we'll erase it again because Shiba Inu is the #1 held token by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. So do not doubt Shiba Inu. This is not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do, but I'm telling you, Shiba Inu is not to be doubted. These whales are holding SHIB for a reason. They know what's up. So, we're going to connect the dots here. But also, I wanted to go into a few things that are going on today. Milkshake shared a couple things about bullying, internet bullying, saying the internet can be used as a place to have a greater positive impact on the world. There's a ton of positive initiatives online. The web should be used to inspire others, not spread hate or to hurt others. And that's quoted from Justin B, but Milkshake posted it. So also Milkshake says, One of the most consistently found differences between traditional bullying and cyberbullying is that victims can be bullied anytime and from anywhere because most individuals have access to digital devices all the time. So, spread that message, keep the positive energy going. Everybody's here to make money, to learn and grow together. So a lot of people I see sometimes people, diss other people's, I got a large community on Facebook too. Sometimes I see some people diss other people's token, like, oh, that token is trash or that token is. Sometimes it may be, but what y'all have to remember is everybody's coming in at different stages. So some people might not have figured out how to do proper due diligence yet to make sure that, the token is a solid project. And even, I still, I got rug pulled this year on a project, so it still happens to people that have been doing it for a while. Of course, it wasn't anything more than I was willing to lose. It was a risky play, which we know how, to play those. But I'm just letting y'all know, it's better to if you feel someone's doing something wrong, educate them versus, trying to, put pressure on them or make them feel, bad about what they're saying or doing. Just try to correct them. So also, Shiba Inu going to reach 1,500 islands as Estonian exchange looking to add Shiba Inu. So also, now we got to get into the main, the meat and potatoes of this right now. Shiba Inu was targeted by hackers basically to steal, whatever crypto, whatever NFTs people had in their wallet. So we got this article here, a couple posts from SHIB Informer giving us more information about it. But basically, I'll give y'all a quick, summary of it. There was a group of individuals who targeted the Wellies Discord server. So we just heard, about the Bored Ape Yacht Club Discord server getting hacked. Something similar happened with the Wellies one. So it was basically hacked, compromised. The actors started spamming this fake website inside of the Discord and telling people to join or connect their wallets to the website. Now, this website, if you connected your wallet to it, they were able to access the crypto, the NFTs inside of your wallet and steal them. So people that were interested in getting the Wellies NFTs that seen this link pop up in the Discord that went to go to that website and connected their wallets, a lot of those individuals were scammed. So if you didn't do anything, if you didn't sign up, or try to get into the Wellies, the fake link that was sent in the Discord, then you have nothing to worry about. But we got the first tweet saying from SHIB Informer, I managed to get the site shut down. However, this is an important lesson. The SHIB community has been targeted with a planned attack. Welly was simply a vector for the attack. We need to be careful. Wait for official announcements on Twitter. And even then, do your own research by default. So that's the first tweet. And then the second one goes to say, this is an attack prepared against the community and launched just moments ago. If you connect to the site, it is possible that you lose everything in that wallet. Minting for Wellies has not yet started. So please be careful, y'all. I told y'all already that I wasn't interested in really minting or participating in the Wellies NFTs. So if y'all are a part of my community and, y'all are listening to what I'm saying, then y'all really don't have nothing to worry about when it comes to that. Now, if you do want to participate in the Wellies NFTs, that's cool too. That's fine. But, I just wasn't, interested in it. But the third one says, warning, there's a message being spammed in the Welly Discord server, eatwelly.net. Do not connect to this site. Then he said also, these days, even connecting to a wallet and accepting some random approval can make you lose your items and tokens. So please always think, where am I connecting my wallet? SHIB Informer has a very good point right there. If you're just going to every single random website you see and connecting your wallet, you are asking to get scammed. You have to know these are smart contracts. So when you connect, basically when you connect your wallet to some of these websites, you're giving permissions for this contract to perform certain activities. Now, it could be embedded into and built into this contract or programmed and coded into the contract that if someone gives approval to connect to this contract, that that connector is allowed to remove, you know, assets from that person's wallet. So y'all got to be careful, man. Really do your own due diligence. Don't just go jump out here. Don't go being greedy. I see a lot of people get scammed by trying to be greedy. They try to double their tokens. They try to, you know, all these other things that people are coming up with. If it sounds too good to be true, most likely it is too good to be true. It's not real. So also be aware of the scammers in the comment section. They try to pull up on all my videos trying to tell y'all to message them on WhatsApp. I don't even have a WhatsApp, I don't believe, but don't fall for that, please. So also, actually I do got a WhatsApp, but I don't use it for you know, for this. I think it's more like personal, like friends and stuff from out of the country. But so some people say this is not about SHIB. Why should we care? Because this attack can be repeated, and the next time the affected one can be you. If you don't know about being more careful, so you know, just trying to spread some awareness, let everybody know, be careful. Also, today part of the SHIB army was affected by a planned attack that targeted wallets of SHIB army members interested in the wellies. The attack had some success, affecting people with Shiboshis and lands. Also, control of the Discord of the wellies community has been lost for now. So they momentarily lost control of the wellies Discord. That's wild, y'all. Y'all got to be careful. That means you cannot just right away trust anything you see posted inside of there. You have to do your due diligence. I don't mean to cause any FUD, but I don't want anybody in my community falling for any of these compromised Discord scams. Like, if you don't see me talk about it, if you don't see me post it, even if you see me post it, still do a layer of due diligence. But this is just unacceptable. It's like, how did the Discord, you know, get hacked? You know, so it's crazy. But see. And then the last one says, in case you are wondering, should I worry? You are only affected if you connected your wallet to eatwelly.net, a fake site created by scammers. If you didn't do this, you do not need to worry. SHIB Army. So here's an update from Welly. Let's check this one out. It says, Welly community update. At this time, we can confirm we have full control of the Welly Discord server. All services have been restored and the server is no longer compromised. We have also elevated moderation security to secure all areas. Second tweet. This incident is under investigation. The safety of our Wellies community members and fans is our top priority. We will continue to post updates and broadcast any information to the community via our social media channels. 3. Furthermore, community members who have been impacted, please submit a support ticket inside our Discord server with a timeline of events and affected resources, and we will make sure to address this personally and in a timely manner. Thank you for your support at this time. So this really messed up that this happened, but you know, it's good to see that Wellies is stepping up, saying, you know, they will address this personally and in a timely manner. So hopefully they do, you know, reach out to them if, you know, y'all lost anything. And then let's see, how did this breach? Weak password, question mark. So somebody asked, didn't get an answer to that. Also, be aware of dust tokens. That are tokens that just randomly get dropped inside of your wallet. If that happens to you, you should be aware. Don't try to sell it. Don't try to do anything with it. Just leave it. Okay, so just checking that out, seeing what some of those responses are. Community members talking about everything down there. But I was personally, you know, really trying to find someone that was affected by this to actually, you know, see, you know, how bad was it. Okay, my mouse was just tripping for a second. Okay, so also, hackers steal 32 NFTs in new compromise of Bored Ape Discord server. Hackers have stolen not less than 32 non-fungible tokens in the early hours of Saturday after they gained access to the Discord servers of 2 Yuga Labs projects, Bored Ape Yacht Club and Other Side Metaverse. This is absolutely bonkers, y'all, that this is happening. So it says the hack was first noticed by on-chain analyst OK Hotshot, who indicated that the hackers might have gotten access to servers because the account of the project's community manager, Boris Wagner, was breached by yet to be identified individuals. Per OK Hotshot, over 145 ETH, which is equivalent to 256,000 US dollars, was stolen by the hackers. Leading blockchain security firm PeckShield later confirmed that Bored Ape and other side Discord hack did happen. According to blockchain firm, the hacker stole 32 NFTs. The stolen NFTs included 1 Bored Ape Yacht Club, 2 Mutant Ape Yacht Clubs, 5 other deeds, and 1 Bored Ape Kennel Club. So it could have been a lot more. It seems like people are possibly wisening up a little bit from the last hack that happened with you know, people buying the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs. So also, let's see. So basically, a community member's, like a moderator, somebody who had a certain permission in the group, their password was either hacked or their account was just compromised in some manner, and then they were sending out the, you know, I guess the tweets or the posts that were telling people, you know, connect here or send your NFTs here, and people fell for it. So Bored Ape suffers second Discord attack in 2 months. Meanwhile, this is not the first time that the social media mouse is tripping. So it's not the first time that the social media channels of Bored Apes would be compromised by attackers. Earlier in the year, its Instagram account and Discord suffered a hack that led to roughly a $13 million loss. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers, y'all. So I just wanted to keep y'all updated with everything. We also got Snoop Dogg to launch a Bored Ape themed restaurant, y'all. So connect the dots. You know, the markets are down, but I told y'all during the down times is when the most developments happen. It's when the people that come up after this downtime, when we see the next bull run, the people who are building here, the people who are investing here, those people will be the most successful or see the most gain. So that's all we got for this video. Check the links in the description section. If you're new to the channel, I got some free resources down there, free stocks, free crypto. Also, my book is on Amazon. Y'all can check that out. And that's pretty much all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.